Hello everyone and welcome in Source Code Planet. This is the first episode of making Magic Zoom web app. I'm using Sublime Code Editor and Google Chrome web browser. The language is US English, of course. Characters encoding is UTF-8. And the title is Magic Zoom. Save it as magiczoom.html. And now set box size into border box. And user select to none. I always include borders in elements dimensions to avoid recalculating each time I add or modify borders. A container with two children, an image and a canvas element. The image, by the way, is stored in my desktop. Width of 360 pixels and height of 240 for both. The canvas element needs to be positioned above the image, so it needs to have an absolute position relative to the container. Okay, here we have it. That's it for this episode. See you in the next one.